Welcome to 133 Mill Street South, a beautiful 4-bedroom century home with 3 washrooms, situated on a premium-sized corner property within the heart of Clarington's Newcastle community. An interlocking walkway wraps around the home from the driveway to the front walkway, while lush perennials accentuate the Victorian-era charm of its south-facing veranda and its separate main entrance. Through a solid wood door is a home showcasing much of its original Victorian character, including a traditional vestibule, a main-level centre hall layout, generously sized principal rooms, solid wood interior doors, as well as sash windows. The west-facing living room has one of the 2 fireplaces surrounded by wood mantles on the main level, as well as a built-in bookshelf with glass-paneled doors. In this room, the family and dining rooms, the reception hall, the laundry room, as well as one of the bedrooms, all have coved ceilings. The family room has the second main level fireplace, a south-facing bay window, an east-facing window, plus French doors opening to the veranda, and also features the added illumination of a chandelier. Many of the chandeliers showcased throughout the home are contemporary in their design, yet harmonize with those that are vintage or have a vintage-inspired look. The powder room off the vestibule has a pocket door, and the walls of both spaces are finished with embossed wallpaper. The existing original wood trims, chair rail, crown moldings, and baseboards throughout the home are either painted white or stained in a deep shade, and the grand, formal dining room showcases a west-facing bay window, a north-facing window, a candelabra chandelier, and the entertaining convenience of access to the kitchen through a butler's pantry. The pantry provides abundant complementary storage for the kitchen, with both spaces finished with dark stained wood countertops, the kitchen counter having the addition of raised breakfast seating. Also featuring a storage closet and the charming finish of wainscoting, the kitchen showcases modern updates that include a stacked stone backsplash, cabinetry with crown moldings and under cabinet lighting, as well as a stainless steel sink, oven with smooth cooktop, a dishwasher, and a French door fridge. Off the kitchen are stairs to an unfinished lower level that features 3 large rooms and lots of storage space, as well as the walkout to the huge backyard. A detached garage, with a fence from it to the home, brings privacy to a concrete patio covered by a metal gazebo, and the yard also features a hot tub, is fenced on its north and east sides, while mature trees in the back, side, and front yards enhance the curb appeal and exterior charm of this home. Carrying to the upper level is the original solid oak hardwood staircase. Like many stately homes of the era, off the upper mid-landing is a secondary set of stairs that leads to a main level side hall which accesses the kitchen. With this level, as well as the main level, showcasing thin slat oak hardwood flooring, and original pine flooring remains in one of the 4 bedrooms, and in a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer that also features a large linen and storage closet. This level has 2 separate 3-piece washrooms. The first is a more traditional Victorian-inspired washroom with modern touches, and which showcases a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter and vessel basin, wall-mounted toiletry cabinets, a tiled floor, and a soaker tub with a handheld shower head. Adjacent to this washroom is the second bedroom, which has a good-sized closet and windows with east and north-facing exposures. And down the hall is the very spacious master bedroom, which also has a good-sized closet, as well as windows with west and north-facing exposures. The second washroom has a gorgeous modern design that showcases a glass shower with rainfall shower head, marble tiled floor and shower walls, exquisite lighting, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin. The third bedroom has east and south facing exposures and a built-in armoire that serves as a double closet. While the fourth bedroom has the distinct aura of bygone times. This room having French doors opening to a screened-in balcony overlooking the front and side yards, this home's third fireplace, as well as built-in shelves with glass panel doors. Newcastle is a thriving community that has a community centre and arena, grocery, convenience, hardware and specialty stores, restaurants, a new fire hall, a golf course, a nature preserve, as well as a marina along Lake Ontario. And this home is also a very short walk to Newcastle's urban centre, is walking distance to Newcastle Public and St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Elementary Schools, and enjoys quick access to Highways 2, 115 and the 401. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.